Are you a trader or a gambler? The line between the two can be razor thin, but the difference can make or break your success in the financial markets. Today, we're diving into the mindset of a trader versus a gambler, and why understanding this distinction is crucial for your financial future. Stay tuned. Trading and gambling might look similar on the surface. Both involve risk, and both can lead to significant financial gain or loss. But the mindsets behind these activities are fundamentally different. As famed investor Warren Buffett once said, the stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. So what sets traders apart from gamblers? Traders rely on strategy. They analyze data, study market trends, and make informed decisions based on probabilities. They have a plan and stick to it. On the other hand, gamblers often rely on luck, making impulsive decisions without a solid plan. This mindset can lead to significant losses. As Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, said, the individual investor should act consistently as an investor and not as a speculator. Consider two individuals investing in stocks. Trader Tom spends hours researching companies, analyzing financial statements, and understanding market trends. Gambler Gary, however, buys stocks based on hot tips and gut feelings. While Trader Tom may have a few losses, his strategic approach increases his chances of long-term success. Gambler Gary, on the other hand, might hit it big once, but his lack of strategy will likely lead to more losses over time. A crucial aspect of trading is risk management. Traders set stop-loss orders, diversify their portfolios, and never risk more than they can afford to lose. Gamblers, however, often ignore these principles, betting more than they can afford in the hopes of a big win. Paul Tudor Jones, a legendary trader, once said, "The most important rule of trading is to play great defense, not great offense." Imagine Trader Tina and Gambler Greg both experience a market downturn. Trader Tina's diversified portfolio and stop-loss orders minimize her losses, allowing her to recover quickly. Gambler Greg, who put all his money on a single stock, faces devastating losses that could have been avoided with proper risk management. Successful traders maintain emotional control. They don't let fear or greed dictate their actions. Gamblers, however, often fall prey to these emotions, leading to irrational decisions and chasing losses. As Jesse Livermore, one of the greatest traders of all time, said, "The game taught me the game, and it didn't spare me the rod while teaching." Learning from losses and maintaining discipline is key. Trader Tony and Gambler Gus both face a losing streak. Trader Tony remains calm, sticking to his strategy and learning from his mistakes. Gambler Gus, driven by desperation, takes bigger risks to recover his losses, only to dig himself deeper into a hole. So, are you thinking like a trader or a gambler? The mindset you adopt can significantly impact your financial success. By focusing on strategy, managing risk, and controlling your emotions, you can trade like a pro and avoid the pitfalls of gambling. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the trader versus gambler mindset. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you more of a trader or a gambler? And what steps are you taking to improve your trading mindset? Until next time, keep learning and stay disciplined. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on trading and investing. See you in the next video.